Hey guys, today I'm making coconut ice. This recipe requires a lot of mixing, so I'll be using my stand mixer. If you don't have one, you could definitely use a large bowl with a spoon. So start by prepping your pan. Grease a 20 centimeter baking pan with some non-stick spray and line it with a piece of baking paper or wax wrap. Into the bowl of your stand mixer, add in the condensed milk, vanilla, and cardamom. Mix it together slightly. Then add in the icing sugar and coconut. Mix on low till everything is well combined. Scrape down the sides of the bowl using a spatula whenever necessary. Then divide this mixture into two and place one half into the prepared pan. Use your hands or a spoon to spread it out evenly. Then use a clean spoon to smooth out the top. Into the remaining mixture, add in your liquid or gel food coloring. I'm using 3 drops of deep pink gel food color and mix it well till the color is evenly distributed. Scrape down the blades of the mixer, then transfer the colored coconut mixture on top of the white layer. Spread it out again using your hands or the back of a spoon. Then use the spoon to smooth out the top. Place the mixture into the fridge for about an hour to set. Then remove it from the pan and use a sharp knife to cut into smaller pieces. Separate the pieces and allow them to dry at room temperature for about an hour, then store them in an airtight container for up to a month or till needed. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!